Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. It's so fun to make my own stickers. It's one of my favorite craft projects to do, and I do it on my cutting machine. And this 8.5 by 11-inch full sheet label sticker paper has really been a great solution and go-to for me when I'm making my stickers. My favorite feature is that the backing has no slits in it, so it doesn't interfere when I'm using my cutting machine. And the paper quality is outstanding, so my stickers come out, I think, very professionally and nicely. And the colors come out excellent when I run this through my printer. It also feeds really smoothly through the printer. And the finish is matte, so if I want to be able to write directly on my stickers, I can do that. This full sheet 8.5 by 11-inch full page sticker paper has made my sticker making projects a success. And that's so fun. And that's my point of view.